We were like, wow, and we didn't expect the whole process to be so painless. 3 very simple words from my experience with Ohmyhome is exceeded all expectations. Hi, I'm Ting Li. I'm a sound designer and I rented my home with Ohmyhome. I first knew of Ohmyhome when I was helping my parents look for a flat for purchase, and that was when I first encountered the Ohmyhome app. And we were really amazed by just how fast we were able to get viewings. And the relationship with Ohmyhome didn't stop there. I was actually contacted for lots of freebies like free home insurance and see a lot of their very helpful videos about properties on their social media. So it was very natural for me to then go back to Ohmyhome when I needed to rent out my property. The reason why we are renting out our home is because we are relocating country. So we needed a lot of advice as to what to expect, all the procedures and what the time frame is like. Ohmyhome's Super Agent was able to do that for us. It only took a week between photo taking of our flat to the signed tenancy agreement. We have our super agent to thank because he was the one who told us to rent it at higher than market price because he knew there was demand in that area. If I could describe my super agent in 3 words, it would be prompt, knowledgeable, and friendly. The entire process was really quick and painless, and I got more than I expected. If someone asked me if I would recommend Ohmyhome, I would say absolutely. Just give them a call regarding anything home and they'll sort you out.